Blurring brush is a great way of making partial blurs, local blurs, when you can blur only a skin or somebody's face or censor the plates on the car. But after you investigate all of the tools here on the right in Pixelmator Pro, you may notice there is a sharpening brush, right? Not a problem. If you press on it, under that there's a soften brush. So that's what we can use as the blurring brush. We can adjust the brush size, softness, and how strong it is. You can also decide that you want to blur only shadows, midtones, or highlights. That's great for retouching the skin. When you don't want to blur the overall skin texture, you just want to blur, let's say, shadows or midtones or highlights. But I will stick with all because right now I'm going to use this retouching brush as a censoring blur. So simply zoom in a bit. You can use this top slider, and let's say we don't have a rights to publish this guy on the right, but we still want to publish this photo on our social media. So in this case, we can use the softening brush several times, click, 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 until we are happy with the blur level, so nobody can recognize this guy anymore. His face is blurred out. And now we can export this as the brand new image and publish our photo with this censoring blur on his face. And this was really fast thanks to this tool. So keep in mind, the blurring brush is hidden under the sharpening brush. So just press and hold. It's called soften. So when you kind of search here in the helper, you search for like blur brush, you cannot find it because the name of the tool is a bit different here in Pixelmator Pro. So here it is, it's called soften. It's a brush tool that will blur stuff below. Now we just need to save this as the brand new image, so we can use file export for that, and we are good to go. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.